This is Bailey Cunning from CommNexus reporting live from CES 2010. Most products being shown at CES 2010 are evolutionary products rather than revolutionary. Standouts are definitely the new television products, specifically 3D. Also new handsets and a first look at convergence devices. New in handsets were the stylish LG Lotus. Also, the innovative Motorola Backflip, which slides open and features a touchpad on the back of the screen for better viewing when navigating the Moto Blur interface. Also, Samsung premiered a new line of eco products, including a clamshell with solar cells on the outside. Nokia introduced new applications for OV App Store, including their own navigation software, featuring 3D landmarks for navigation ease. Here at the Motorola booth to learn more about their newest phone, the Backflip.
Hi, this is the Backflip from Motorola. It's Motorola's first Android device with a unique reverse flip design. As you can see, when we fold it out, we've got a 3.1-inch half VGA display. It's got a full keypad, and on the back we have the Backtrack, which is a rear touch navigation panel that allows you to navigate through the device and select items without your fingers getting in the way of the display. So this works out really well, like if you're going through and you're showing people pictures. Instead of your hand moving across each picture, you can now select the pictures and scroll through the device and show them without it getting in the way. So it's a really great feature. Another great thing about the Backflip is the tabletop mode. So with this unique reverse design, what you can do is you can take the device and use it as an alarm clock, as a video player, or as a digital photo frame. So it's really got some really good uses about it. The other thing that's really exciting about the device is we have the Moto Blur service on the inside. So let me show you a little bit on this. So basically what the Moto Blur service does is it takes all your online services, it brings them together into one location, organizes it for you, and then delivers it so that you can see everything that you want to see all from the home screen. So what I can show you is I'm going to scroll through here and go into what we call the Happenings chip. Inside on the Happenings chip, you can see all the status updates from all your friends, whether they're on Facebook, MySpace, Twitter. You don't have to go into each one of those individually, log in to see what all their friends are doing. You can see it from this one screen. So I can scroll through and check out my friend's status. I can even go in and comment on their status, all from my home screen. The other thing our Moto Blur service does is allows you to post to your status to all your different sites. So if you have multiple accounts, you can post right from here to all of them at the same time. You can also go into your messaging where you can have multiple email accounts. So a lot of people have personal accounts and work accounts. You can see them all together, or you can still see them separately. It's what Moto Blur does. It brings everything together very simply, easy for you to see, be able to send what you want to send on your time. And it's just wonderful. It's a great experience.
Thank you so much for your time. I'm excited about it.
And Sanjay, she did a great job, so I think you should give her a raise.
The Motorola Backflip. Thank you.
Okay, this is Walt Davis, and we're getting a little demo this afternoon from a new Android phone from Ericsson. And this is called the Xperia. I'm going to let David tell you a little bit about it, and he's going to give you a little bit of a demo.
Yeah, so this is the X10, the new Sony Ericsson device from Sony Ericsson, and it's based on Android 1.6. And it has this new cool feature application called Timescape, which basically is a social networking application where all your like friends and what they do come up in this application. So here in the main mode, I have last recent calls, Twitter, Facebook, text messages and videos and everything. And it's come up like this little spline here. So here I follow this guy called Eric Pritz. I press his Twitter, comes up some information. If I click on this infinity button, it goes to his contact information. I don't have him in my contact though, but if I had, I would see his his messages to me, his phone numbers and everything like that. Otherwise, you can go in if you click on the Twitter button, which will come up like this. I can go to his Twitter's page, just like that. So it's really convenient. Then you can go to the home screen. Looks like this. And here's like how it looks like in all Android phones. But it also has another application that is exclusive to Sony Ericsson, and that is something called Mediascape, where you have all your media and stuff like that. So it takes some time to load because it's an early build.
Yes.
But here I have all my photos, my videos as well. And the resolution is really nice, as you can see here. If I press a video
I
here.
assume this has a Snapdragon processor?
Yeah, this is Snapdragon 1.0 gigahertz. 1 gigahertz Snapdragon.
gigahertz?
Yeah, it's really
The
fast.
fastest one then?
Yeah, the fast one.
Wow. Again, and I'm here with Pierre, and Pierre's got another exciting device to show us. Pierre, tell us about what you have today.
So today we have the Nokia N900. This is our new MIMO 5 device. It actually has a phone application built in. Before we used to have the 770 series, the N900 is now the phone application built in. So it's actually a mini computer, but it has a phone application. Now it also has a 32 gig of hard drive space. You can add also memory card up to 16 gigs, so it becomes a 48 total limitation. Now we also have a little kickstand, which a lot of people like. When you're on the plane, you can actually use this kickstand and actually watch movies and use it for music, etc. So now we're actually also showing you the touchscreen. This is a resistive touchscreen device. You can also use a stylus. So normally you can use touchscreens with fingers only, but this also can use a stylus. So the cool thing I like personally about this is the actual home screen, how you can customize it. Now, right now, for example, you only have one home screen, right? You have the little icons. You can actually switch and go to another home screen, have another icon there, another home screen, another home screen. So I have 4 different home screens that I can switch from to. And I like that feature a lot. You can also actually use maps. It has a built-in GPS with this device, so you can actually use Nokia Maps that's built in and navigate with that. Right now, also, you have a lot of widgets that they're building. So, for example, my calendar, I can actually have a little widget that shows with my calendar what I'm doing for the day. So, right now, I'm also going to see other applications. So, I'm going to take you to the menu icon and show you that we can actually download from a catalog. Yes. So, from the catalog, I can actually go in and actually see a lot of applications that I already have or preloaded, etc. So I can download them, install them very easy. Now, MIMO 5 is a Linux mobile-based operating system, so you can actually have a lot of APIs. It's free, open source, so you can download, create your own. And Nokia is actually going very full throttle in this device right now.
Can I have multiple applications running at the same time?
Yes, you can have multiple applications running at the same time. You can also do actually a keyboard function. This is a keyboard function that you can actually have, but there's also a virtual keyboard that you can enable and use that also. So this is a cool feature that I like also for this device.
Sounds pretty good. Now, if I'm a businessman, what am I really going to like about this?
Well, a lot of business people like email on the go all the time. So this supports Mail for Exchange, which is our Mail for Exchange client for email. So I can set it up with my Nokia email. And we also have Nokia Messaging, which is our application that you can put personal emails all in one. So you can actually have your Yahoo, Hotmail, Gmail, all in one location bucket and see all of them together.
Great. How about battery life on this?
Battery life is about 9 hours of talk time, so that will take you most of your daytime to work and charge it after that. And another feature that I forgot to mention was the camera. This is a 5 megapixel Carl Zeiss camera. You can actually open it from the back, and you can use that for video sharing, for anything like that. Now the cool feature is that Ovi, as we have here, is also integrated with this device with the Share Online. So if I take a picture, I can log in directly with a plug-in and upload that to my Ovi account and share with my friends. So that's a cool feature that I like for this device also.
Yeah. So you know we're